Why is a carpenter's pencil not round? Okay. Today we are talking all about the carpenter's pencil. So I walked around earlier and asked some of my team if they knew why a carpenter's pencil was flat. Actually, I phrased the question as, why is a carpenter's pencil not round? Why is a carpenter's pencil not round?
Okay. I don't know. To measure?
Why is a carpenter's pencil not round?
Because they're like a 1/2 inch thick and you can also use it to gauge stuff with.
Why is a carpenter's pencil not round?
I don't know.
All right.
Why is a carpenter's pencil not round?
Uh-huh.
Because he likes using square stuff.
All right. Why is a carpenter's pencil not round?
The depth of the carpenter's pencil is to do with when you mark your line, you can allow that amount.
All right, so he got to Google first. So why is the carpenter's pencil not round?
So it don't roll away?
The number one reason that a carpenter's pencil is not round is when you set it down and you're on an unlevel surface, it will not roll. And I'll demonstrate that here in a minute. The round pencil, carpenter's pencil. Number two, carpenter's pencil. We're on a slightly elevated surface here. If something's unlevel, your carpenter's pencil will not roll downhill. The second biggest reason that a carpenter's pencil is not flat, it's actually dimensional. It's actually a 1/2 inch wide by a 1/4 inch thick. And you can use it as a spacer if you need a 1/4 inch space. Did you know that the measurements for a carpenter's pencil are deliberate? Let's check and see what they are. A carpenter's pencil measures exactly a 1/2 inch, and the thickness is a 1/4 inch. So those are a couple of the cool things that we've learned as to why a carpenter's pencil is flat. If you have any cool tips, tricks, or knowledge about certain tools, please comment, share them. We would love to hear your stories and different reasons and different uses you have for some of the common tools that we use every day in construction and remodeling. Follow and subscribe for more.